Kapag hindi pa tinutuldukan ng Diyos, ay hindi pa tapos. At hindi pa siya tapos sa'yo, kaya kumapit ka pa. This season can be exhausting for you, but please pursue life. This season can be so depressing for you, but please stay, because you are never alone in this season. Pwede may mga nang-iwan sa'yo, pwedeng mabigat na talaga kaya gusto mo nang bumitaw. Pwedeng sagad ka na talaga at ubos ka na. But God is saving you today. He wants you back. He wants you to stay. May namatay sa cross para mabuhay ka. Inilaban ka, ipinagsigawan ka at ipinanalo ka pa. So dear, don't end it yet. This is not how God wants you to end your story. Hindi pa tapos ang lahat sa'yo. He has never promised a storm-free life, but He promised that you will never go through life alone. Hindi ka lalakad ng mag-isa. Someone out there is praying for you. Someone out there is being blessed by your existence. Someone out there is fighting for you. We are here. Your mentors are here. Your spiritual leaders are here. Your parents are here. God is here, and you are not alone. Don't end it yet. The story continues with God. With love and prayers, Noel.